morning, everyone. I am Lady Mascara. Today is a Wednesday. I don't having a work today, so I'm washing the clothes, clean the house. Yeah, 1 week I did not wash the clothes. Yesterday I washed the dirty rags from the bathroom and from the kitchen. And today I will wash the clothes, the regular wearing every day. Ang buhay po dito sa Amerika po ay puro trabaho. Pag wala pong pasok, maglilinis po ng bahay.
Dr. Ben Amo, thank you as always for your perspective. We appreciate it. We're also tracking a potentially devastating weather scenario in the middle of the U.S. Multiple tornadoes have already been reported in what forecasters are describing as a once-in-a-lifetime event. We'll have that next.
And this is the rags that I washed last night. When I'm home, I wash the rags. And now, next for the wearing everyday regular the clothes, separating the whites and the blacks and the colors. Ang buhay po dito sa Amerika po ay pag hindi po tayo magtrabaho, wala pong pambayad ng bills. Kaya ngayon, walang pasok. It's time to wash clothes. It's a lot of dirty clothes. 1 week I did not wash. It almost fell down my cell phone. And now, all dirty clothes I wash. So I separating the blacks and the whites and the other colors.
Sell your car the easy way with Carvana. Hi, can I book tickets for tomorrow? Sir? I thought I was in incognito mode. Google is your personal information exposed.
Switch to the DuckDuckGo browser. Get a built-in search engine like Google, but it never connects to search.
Dito po sa Amerika, madali lang pong maglaba dahil washing machine. Hindi tulad po noon na sa Pilipinas kung wala pang washing machine ay kuskus. Ngayon po ay washing machine na, madali lang po maglaba kahit isang tambak na po yung labahan natin ngayon ay pwede nang maglaba kahit isang beses lang po sa isang linggo.
Allergies got you trying every trick? Grab Zyrtec for total relief. It works fast and lasts a full 24 hours. What are you waiting for? Go deep today with Zyrtec.
Aveeno introduces new daily moisturizing cream. It's clinically proven to moisturize dry skin for 48 hours and instantly strengthens skin barrier for softer, smoother skin. Aveeno, the power of oat for sensitive skin.
Believe me, when it comes to investing, you'll love Carl's Way. Take a left here, please. But there's Carl's Way is the best way.
Is it? At Schwab, how I choose to invest is up to me.
Exactly. I can invest and trade on my own.
Yes, and I let them manage some investments for me too.
Let's move on, shall we? No can do.
Look it up here.
Where are you going?
Schwab.
Schwab, a modern approach to wealth management.
Introducing Mando.
Ay.
Rather than covering up odor with heavy fragrances, Mando stops odor before it starts. 72 hours later, and I still smell like I just stepped out of the shower. Thanks, Mando.
For the best deals, go to shopmando.com.
Do you have a life insurance policy you no longer need? Now you can sell your policy, even a term policy, for immediate cash payment.
We thought we had planned carefully for our retirement.
But we quickly realized we needed a way to supplement our income.
If you have $100,000 or more of life insurance,
Labadami, labango.
policy lapse without finding out.
Laba-laba po tayo, mga nanay.
Policy qualifies. 1-800-481-1700. Coventry Direct, redefining insurance.
We just signed the lease on our third shop. My assistant went to CustomInk.com to get new uniforms with all the locations. He found great products, uploaded new art, and had boxes sent to all the shops. Custom Ink makes it so easy. Get started today at CustomInk.com.
The World Government's Elements of Korea Special and Sunday at 8 on CNN.
This afternoon, we're seeing confirmed tornadoes in Oklahoma and Missouri. This is part of a severe line of storms that forecasters predict could also bring once-in-a-lifetime flooding.
CNN Derek Van Dam is with us now on this story. This, Derek, we just need to be very clear, is an extraordinarily serious threat.
Yeah, absolutely. We have several hazards that are lining up not only for today, but for the next several days. Let's talk about the most immediate threats, that being the chance of a tornado outbreak later this afternoon and evening. So what we're working with here are the greatest risk factors. You can see a level 5 out of 5 has been issued across portions of Arkansas into western Tennessee as well as southwest Kentucky. That's really the highlighted most increased risk of severe storms as the ingredients of the atmosphere come together with the spin, allowing for the potential at least of supercells that could drop tornadoes from the sky. But we don't want to focus on just the greatest risk because of course it expands well out from that region. Anywhere that is hatched across this area, from basically Indianapolis, Columbus, all the way to the south and west of Little Rock. That is where the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted the greatest risk of EF2 tornadoes.
Ay, ako. Ngayon, nasiparit ko na po yung mga bali, 3 salang po. Ngayon po, ipapasok na natin po sa sa washing machine na. Na itong sabon.
National Weather Service in Bragana describing this as a once-in-a-lifetime or once-in-a-generation type flood threat. So we need to take this very seriously. If you are in a tornado warning and a flash flood warning simultaneously, it's a real threat here. You need to seek out the driest part of your home in the interior away from windows, if at all possible. Some things to consider today as we go forward.
Good advice, a lot to keep.
Ngayon po, ang susunod kong pong gagawin ay magwawalis, sweeping the floor. Okay po, bye-bye! Thank you for watching my video live!